Hello everyone, I am Harsh Agrawal from College Bhaiya, and today we have here with us Saloni Agrawal, who is currently pursuing BCom from Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur. Welcome Saloni.
Thank you, Harsh.
You're welcome. Saloni, this is an interview call regarding your career decisions.
Okay.
So I'll be asking you a few questions. Are we ready?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Saloni, what were the factors that you chose BCom as your course option?
Actually, after 12th, I wanted to pursue medicine, but it did not turn out well for me.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, I had no idea of what I wanted to do.
Okay.
So I started eliminating the options which I did not want to do because after 12th, I think it's still early for you to decide what you would be doing with whole of your life or where
Yeah.
you would see yourself after 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
So I talked to some of my friends. I had some insights over the courses. And when I would learn about the courses, I would be like, nah, I would not like to do that.
Mm-hmm.
And so it was basically a selectively elimination process that led me to choosing commerce.
Okay. Okay. So are you happy with your decision?
Uh, yeah, I guess I'm pretty happy with commerce because it broadened my perspective as a whole. I was earlier a very studious student
Mm-hmm.
and I had learned only theoretical things, but now here I would learn how to apply theory into practice. So overall, it's a very good experience, I would say, and I love commerce as a subject.
Great, great. How much would you rate it out of 5?
I would say 4.5 out of 5.
Great, that's great. Can you give us some insights about BCom, like what you get to learn in BCom?
Yeah, sure. Uh, so Harsh, as you would know, like when we open up a page of Economic Times or when we switch to Z Business on our TV channel, earlier, I would not understand a single thing what they were talking about, but now I would actually know what they're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
And this actually gives confidence that when you know what is going on in the real world, earlier economics was merely a subject, but now you know economics means the bigger picture,
Yeah.
how the economic works, how the world works. And one particularly interesting thing that I found about commerce is there's a subject called business communication.
Mm-hmm.
Like, who would have ever thought that you need to communicate so effectively in business that there's a separate subject you need to study for this?
Yeah.
So, I guess business is all about insight into the small things, and this is great.
Okay, that's great. Saloni, whom all did you consult before joining this course?
Okay, so I majorly consulted my parents and family, friends
Mhm.
who went into some courses, some other courses like from science stream, from art stream, from commerce stream. So I would get a whole lot of knowledge about all the streams.
Mhm.
Also, I read many blogs. I read many posts on Quora. I would watch YouTube videos,
Mhm.
and that's all.
Okay. So you are happy with the decision, right? Adding to this, Saloni, we have a service. The way you said you researched about this BCom, and
Okay.
you chose BCom finally. Adding to this, we have a service related to this. Like, if you are a college student, and sorry, if you are a student who wants to get into a new college,
Okay.
so you can talk to any college student of India of any department.
Okay. That's great.
So, what do you think? What impact it will have in decision making of the students in choosing their college?
Yeah, I think this is pretty good. This initiative will help a lot of students. Like I said, I did not know what I wanted to do,
Mhm.
but I knew what I did not want to do. So
Yeah.
this will provide them an insight into what they do not want to do. And so selectively eliminating process, they can finally reach onto something that they would do.
Okay, great, great. Finally, suddenly, would you like to give some suggestions to the upcoming students who are about to choose their career? What should they keep in their mind?
Okay, so I would say them that they should not stress much over choosing a career because you never know where you would be in life after 10 years because at this age we constantly keep changing our minds, so it always boils down to one thing, that what you truly want, and you can never know earlier that what you really want to do.
Yeah.
And you need to do proper research as you guys are taking the initiative. So I think this will help a lot of people, and that's all I would like to say.
Thanks a lot, Saloni. It was lovely having you here. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, Harsh.